We here at S4 have taken the guesswork and confusion out of performing your suspension's 50-hour service, or an oil change. Hi everybody, I'm Addison Zawada, and welcome to S4 University. This is what it looks like if you go by the book of your suspension manufacturer. There's a lot to know, a lot to gather, and a lot left over when you're finished. That's why we've gathered all the essentials in one easy place for you. Welcome to the S4 50-hour DIY service kit for your fork. And today, we're going to walk you through step by step on how to use it. Whether you use all the factory recommended products or you decide on one of our DIY service kits, there's going to be some tools that overlap that you'll need to complete the project today. You'll need a shock pump, a torque wrench with the appropriate range for your foot nuts, a 2mm Allen key to remove the rebound knob, a ratchet with the appropriate sockets for your foot nuts. You'll need some form of a soft-sided hammer. This is going to help in preventing scratching or damaging your fork. Some form of a suspension cleaner. We really like this stuff from Maxima. It's called Suspension Clean. It's going to be safe on all your surfaces. To assist with the cleaning, you'll need a rag and a wooden dowel, and I'll show you a little bit more about those in a bit. And then last but not least, kind of a specialty tool that's going to make your life a lot easier is a downhill tire lever. And this is going to be used to remove your wipers. Now, let's take a look and see what our DIY kit actually includes. For our Fox fork today, with a grip damper, we have two types of bath oil. 20 weight for the air side or the brake side of the fork, and 4 weight for the damper side or the drivetrain side. We have a syringe to inject said oil, slick oleum grease to lubricate the inside of the wipers, a seal driver to install your wipers, and then of course, if you're going to install wipers, well, you need wipers to do that. So you'll need your fork seal kit, which you chose upon checkout. One last pro tip to keep everything nice and tidy is going to be some form of pan for oil to go into. I'm going to stop and poke my head in here for a second to talk about tools. There are specific proprietary tools that these manufacturers make with the sole purpose of preventing damaging your fragile suspension equipment. But these tools can be quite costly and expensive, and heck, that's the whole reason we designed this DIY kit, was to save you some coin. So we're going to show you some workarounds to those, but we do always recommend that you use factory recommended tools. What are some of the problems that you actually run into if you don't? It can cause mushrooming on your foot nut, which is going to prevent your rebound knob from functioning properly. It could even crack a foot nut, and that's not where you want to be. So again, we always recommend using the proper tools for the job, and we link those below. Now's a great opportunity to jump over to S4 University and check out our 2 videos, how to reinstall your suspension, and of course, you just did a service, so it's time to reset your sag. For now, I'm going to jump back into the shop to continue to make your ride smoother.